Hi, this is the second kind of ACT math problem that you might see. It is linear equations from making linear equations from word problems. This is very common, just saying. So when MacGyver started at the Phoenix Foundation, he got 37 Swiss Army knives. He gets a Swiss Army knife every week. How many will he have in 19 days? And obviously can have a part of a knife. So if we got a decimal, we would just have to round down. And once again, it would say that and there'd be multiple choice. But a standard kind of equation that you would see for linear is this: y equals mx plus b. Now, if you're graphing this, you might know this as the slope and this as the y-intercept. But when we're looking at word problems, this b is the initial amount he started with. Well, that would be 37 because it says that's what he started out with. This m is something that's multiplied by a certain length of time it can be, and that's what it is in this case. So it said he gets a Swiss Army knife every week. It didn't say 2, so this is actually just going to be 1, so we don't even have anything. It'll just be x. So really our equation is x plus 37. So just note that it can be a little bit more complicated than this. But notice how it says 19 days. Well, once again, they have to make it complicated sometimes. How many weeks is 19 days? Well, of course, we have to do a proportion, which that was number 1, but let's just do this real quick. And you might think this is pointless because that's not what this video is supposed to be about, but it isn't, because you might have to do multiple things. That's very common. So, all right, so 7 days in 1 week, 19 days in how many weeks? All right, so 19 divided by 7, that's 2.71 weeks. Okay, that's messy, sorry. So you would just plug that in, 2.71 times plus 37, and that is 39.71, but we round down, so he would have 39. Occasionally you would have to find y, which hopefully you could do. If it said how many days until he has 400, you might have to do that, so keep that in mind.